Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 267. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 8, no help here, 2, 5, 8, 5 and 2 here. Makes this our 8, 5, 2. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. No help here, 2, 5, 9. No help here, 2, 5, 9, 2 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. I don't see any help, so 8, 9, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. No help here, 2, 5, 9. 2 here, so 5, 9. 5 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. And with that 9, we can get rid of this 9 and this 9. For this top row, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 9. And no help here, 5, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, 9. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 9. The 3 can't be here or here. It must be here. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 5. If the 1 can't be here or here, it must be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got the 2 here, so 5, 9. So if we look at this column, the only place the 2 can be is here. That 2 makes this our 5, 2, 5. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. And that 9 makes this our 2. That 9 makes this our 8, 9, and that 9 makes this our 8, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4 and 8. Let's see, we've got a little bit of cleanup left here. This 8 makes this our 9, 5, 8, and that 5 makes this our 9. And that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.